Hi, I'm Dave Holland. I am the Director of Operations for IPTE in the Americas region, with our products bringing them to market. And we look at it in a progressive style. So a lot of our customers, they start with low volumes. As we're a company that makes production manufacturing equipment. Our customers maybe start with a low volume and they move up to a higher volume. So we've come up with solutions that allow our customers to reuse materials, fixtures, electronics, technologies through the life cycle. So from a manual offline testing application or a routing application, all the way up to a fully 10 up inline high volume customized solution, we can do that for them. This way they don't have to take an entire machine that they purchase and throw it away when they move up to a higher volume or when they go back to a lower volume. We do that quite often. We want to be carbon neutral by 2045. We want to reduce our energy and water consumption by 40% within the next 5 years. We also want our suppliers to sign on to our sustainability program. So it's not just about what we're doing, it's also about the complete supply chain that we work with. So we want 80% of our partners to have sustainability initiatives that align with our sustainability initiatives. In addition to that, we're also working with our employees. We'd like 40% of our staff also to adopt the similar sustainability initiatives that we are adopting as an organization.